Students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have two-digit subtraction. It's a very interesting lesson, so let's start. If I have here, my dear students, two numbers, okay, like 42 minus 15. 42 minus 15. So we have here, remember, ones, and we have here what? Tenths. These are the place values we got here, okay? So we have here ones and we have here tens. We start with the ones, the right hand. Okay, we want to take away 5 from 2. It can't be. So we are going to borrow. Tick, tick, tick. Do you have one? Yes, I have 10. So I've got here, I will give you 10. I'll give you, yeah, 10. So I'll write here 1 beside the 2, and it's called here a new number, which is 12. 12 minus 5. I will count after 5 until I get to 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I will count the numbers, the fingers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So write down 7. I have here what? I have here 4, but I took 1 or 10 from 4, so it became now, yeah, 3. 3 minus 1 gives me, after 1, 2, 3, so I have here 2. So the answer will be 27. Okay? Okay, we have here another exercise. We want to solve this exercise. Number 1, I have here 1 minus 4. Can I take 4 from 1? Of course not. So I'm going to take a 10 from here, this digit. So 3 became 2, right? And this became, instead of 1, it became 11. Then I will count after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, and then count the fingers, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the answer down is 7. 2 minus 1 gives me what? Gives me here 1. What about here the next one? Let's do it together. 6 minus 1. Yes, I can take 1 out of 6. So 6 minus 1 gives me 5. We don't have here anything. 5 minus 2, it's what? It's 3. So this doesn't need any regrouping or borrowing. What about this one? 5. Can I take 5 out of 2? Of course not. So I'm going to borrow, take 1 from here. So it's here called tens. So the number here becomes 12. 12. 12 minus 5 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And count the fingers, they give you 7. This 7 becomes what? Okay, we took 1 from it, so it became 6. 6 minus 3 after 3, 4, 5, 6 on my fingers, 3, right here 3. Let's have here some practice of the word problem, guys. So here Spencer wrote 5 fewer stories than Katie. Fewer. Remember the word fewer. So I'm going to subtract. The word fewer. Fewer is a key word for the subtraction. Okay, Spencer wrote 18 stories. How many stories did Katie write? So I have here 18 fewer. So fewer means minus. So I write here 18 minus 5. Here, guys, 18 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 equals 3, and then the 1 comes here. Okay, so he wrote, how many stories did Katie write? She wrote a what? Yes, I can hear you, 13 stories. Circle the problems below that you could use mental math to solve. Let's see what we are talking about. We have here 54 minus 10. So we can use our mental math in this one. We can say here just take away 1 from 5. It will become 44. Right? This is, we can use mental math. We can use it in others. Yes, we can use it here, guys. We want to get 20 out of 93. So 2 out of 9, it gives me what? 73. Easy one. Okay? Then complete. I have here another kind of questions, the word problems. It's very easy, my dear students. If I say here we have 61 pizzas were sold, guys, write 61 and do here circle on the number. Okay, 25 of them were plain cheese pizza, just cheese pizza without any pepperoni. Okay, and the rest of the pizzas had toppings. The rest, please write, underline or circle here the rest and write here subtraction minus on the word rest. So we have rest and fewer, okay, the remainder. So all of this refers to the subtraction here. So I have here 61 minus what, 25, because he asks me about the remainder. So shall we do it? 61 minus here 25, 11 minus 5 gives me 6, and then this 6 becomes 5, 5 minus 2, 3, so the answer is 36. Okay, so we have another kind of questions, my dear students. Here for this one, there are 34 here, 34 chickens, okay, in the barn. Okay, 34 chickens in the barn. 16 got outside. Okay, how many chickens still here inside the barn? So what do you think? Okay, it's divided into two parts and I have here 34. So 34 minus this 16. So 4 minus 6 can't be. Take here from here 1. Okay, this is 14. 6. Okay, 14 minus 6 gives me what? Gives me 8. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then here this 3 becomes 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So the answer 18 chicken is still inside. Okay, so the practice here is homework, page 283, my dear students. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.